In this video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware type application called ConnectedServer. ConnectedServer is the adware from the adload family. It may attack Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers on Mac computers. ConnectedServer adware is often spread through integration with many free applications, and so in most of the cases people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Therefore, if it was some way or another installed into your Mac computer, it's a good idea that you right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.